Hi, Jammers! So we finally decided on getting the Arctic Wolf over the Falcon, and it's 10 sapphires, and it took a lot of work to try to find out which one
Trust
we're
me,
gonna get.
me and my sister were fighting all the time.
So, let's name it. What should it be called? Shut up! Shut up.
So,
How about creature?
No.
No way, that's not a good name.
Crunchy.
Yeah, okay.
Dancing.
Oh,
That's
darling.
Darling.
No, DJ's one of the common
Sure.
ones.
Darling? Darling, peachy perfect.
No, we're definitely doing Daredevil.
No.
Darling pretty.
Darling, pretty
Fella.
fella.
Darling pretty fella.
That's fine. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Yes, let's do it.
We got it!
Celebrate good times. Come on.
Let's
Okay.
Look at it.
She's so big and beautiful.
Oh my god.
So I'm just gonna do this really quickly.
Yeah.
Because we kind of look ugly right now.
Make it like one of the.
Oh no, yeah.
What color? Just tell me.
No,
Make it pretty.
This?
Hmm?
Then what do you want to do for
Yellow.
no, I think like a pinkish.
Yeah, okay.
No, it needs to match the
First let's do eyes. You gotta get the eyes, you know? Why are they?
Why is there? Oh, because there is no eyeball. That's strange. Do it light blue.
There you go.
Now put
We're
on
going
this.
for like a little pretty
I'm
look.
going for like a little pretty look. So no,
Whoa!
we need definitely a new look on
We
it.
need like a spiky
Take off the
collar.
shirt.
I'm so poor.
Took off the shirt.
How about this lead? That's pretty.
Ew, it's too flowery.
Then how do we get rid of the sneakers?
That's not the problem. Get rid of this.
That?
Alright. I'll put this on.
No eating with your mouth full.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, no chewing. No, I mean, no talking.
No chewing with your mouth. Did you guys hear that? That was stupid.
Okay, now put on the gray sneakers.
Yeah. I think she's pretty.
No, but the skin color.
How about we just give her
I was going to do pink. Out of all the colors you could, but like, I don't
That's
like
pretty.
You like no, ew.
No.
I can't handle
She's so bad.
that. I can't handle that. Whatever, what you like that. How about that? And then we can do like that looks too magenta.
No, that was pretty.
Oh, that matches the green.
No, you know what? You're bad at this. So we're just gonna go with gray, and then sneakers are gonna be red. That's fine.
Yeah.
Tell us if you like it because we have no sense in style apparently.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We
So-
are the Thunder Fox. Now I just want to see something. Just want to dance, you know.
Oh yeah, that's how
She's
you play
beautiful.
wild.
I love it. Hit this egg. I want to see what happens.
You can buy eggs. We don't have enough anymore. We literally have.
We're literally filthy poor. Okay. Hooray!
It's supposed to be filthy rich, so we're like not filthy poor.
And 4.
Whatever.
Thanks, Jammers, for watching. Comment down below if you like.